Alright, we got a Samsung stove. We're gonna be changing the cord. Alright, so we're back here. This is the back of the stove. You're gonna have your cord back here. First, this stove came in and we always check the cord to make sure that everything's correct. Now, looking at this, it looks good, but it's not. I'm gonna take the cord, I'm gonna take all these off, and I'm gonna show you what the problem is. And they're not tight. They should be snug. If you move these, they should not move. This one was super loose. That's much better. All right. See your ground? Your ground is correct, but it should not be connected to that, okay? This would be correct if this was a 3-wire hookup. We're doing a 4-wire hookup, so you're gonna have a dedicated ground. Your green screw will be on the body, but the copper will be relocated. Move it up. Right there. All right, just like that. If it's not going in nicely, turn it out. It should go in nice and smoothly, not rough. All right, no movement. See that? Your neutral ground gets separated. That goes back there. Flip him because it's going to be harder to get it to lay flat. Nice and tight. This, turn it. All right, that's how you do that. We're gonna get a cord restraint and put it on. All right, so we're gonna be putting the cord restraint on now. You might need a channel lock or something to squeeze, and that's gonna help you keep it so you can get your screw in. If you're not able to get the bulk of the black in, you're totally fine. Just make sure you tighten it down so that everybody is held in place. That's fine, it's not going anywhere. The idea is to protect the power block so nothing will touch metal. We're done here. Put your cover on. Now these, tab, okay. Don't over tighten, thin metal. Thanks for watching.